Hey everyone, in today's video, we're fixing a really common problem when the JBL Portable app just won't connect. Let's walk through the easiest fixes step by step. First, make sure your JBL Portable app is fully updated. Go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, search for JBL Portable, and if you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to finish. This ensures the app works with the latest JBL devices. If the update doesn't help, the next thing to try is clearing the cache. These are temporary files that sometimes cause issues. Press and hold on the JBL Portable app icon, tap the small info icon, then go to storage or app info. From there, choose clear cache and confirm. After that, restart the app and check if it connects. The app also needs the right permissions to work properly. Go back to app info and tap permissions. Make sure location is set to allow while using the app. Then, check the nearby devices option and allow that as well. Without these permissions, the app may not find your JBL speaker. Still no luck? Sometimes the issue is with your phone itself. A quick restart can clear out small glitches in your operating system and Bluetooth. Just restart your phone, reopen the JBL Portable app, and try connecting again. If it's still not working, try pairing your JBL speaker or headphones with another phone or tablet. This helps you figure out if the problem is the app or the JBL device itself. And finally, if none of these steps solve it, the issue could be with your JBL device. In that case, reach out to JBL support. If you bought it recently, you might qualify for a replacement or repair under warranty. So that's it. Update the app, clear the cache, check permissions, restart your phone, and test with another device. One of these usually gets the JBL Portable app working again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other quick fixes.